in bidding a farewell and also a future full of promise to all our retiring colleagues, and also welcoming back our colleague P. Wilson. Sir, I've had the pleasure of knowing most of these people for many years, and especially Brother Vaiko, who I've known since when he was a member of the Lok Sabha, and both of us were colleagues in the Lok Sabha. And after that, also for many years, when I was a minister in the government, I used to always get his love, affection and encouragement in whatever the task we were embarking. And he has been, as all the other colleagues have said, and I don't want to repeat, a voice for the people, voice for the downtrodden, and a voice for the Tamil language and Tamil culture. And I think not only him, but even when we look at Shanmukha Dasji, he's been a veteran in the trade union politics. But in this house, he's been a very calm and soothing voice and a very fatherly figure who has been very affectionate towards all his colleagues and contributed also very meaningfully to many debates in this house. Ambumani Ramdas was a colleague of mine in the government when he was the health minister, and I've had a chance to know him very closely. And also the other colleagues, Abdullah and Chandrasekhar, also have been meaningful contributors to this house and to the overall, I would say, the progress and welfare of the nation. I, on my behalf of my party, I would like to say farewell, but at the same time, as many have said, in public life, you don't retire. In public life, once you've embarked on this journey, you carry on for life. And I'm sure in many other capacities, all our colleagues who have retired will be certainly contributing meaningfully, not only for the welfare of Tamil Nadu, but for our great nation. I once again, on my behalf and my party, wish them all the best in their future endeavors.
Thank you. Dr. V. Sivadasan. Dr. V. Sivadasan.
Respected sir, today also we heard the fiery speech of Vaiko, respected Vaiko. I'm able to say, proudly say, I'm also the colleague of Vaiko. His interaction and his speeches, his issues, all things are highly close with the issues of the people. Today, I believe that tomorrow, not only in Tamil politics, here in national politics also, Vaiko will contribute a lot of things. Our leader, the trade union leader, Shanmugam, here already Britas has mentioned, not only the leader of DMK, he is the leader of entire working class community in our nation, not only in labor issues, including social issues everywhere. We have taken, Shanmugam has taken the issues, and as a leader of trade union, he has given a lot of input for our parliamentary activities. Our dear friend Abdullah, he has spoken in Tamil, and in that speech, he mentioned the lot of issues, like the same manner as in his speeches, the issues, the questions, all things. He raised a lot of issues for the people. Abdullah worked here in this house for the people. I believe tomorrow in Tamil politics, Abdullah will make a big role for the people. Here, Chandrasekhar from Tamil Nadu, very close friend of me. He has contributed a lot in this house. I salute Chandrasekhar and Anpumani Ramdas and dear friend Wilson, legal luminary already mentioned here. He will continue here in this house, and these are all friends. They have contributed a lot of things for the house. I salute them, wish you all the success for these colleagues. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Professor Ram Gopal Yadav.
धन्यवाद श्रीमान। आज जो 5 हमारे साथी रिटायर हो रहे हैं उनमें से विल्सन साहब वापस आ रहे हैं। उनका पूरे अपने कार्यकाल में बड़ा योगदान रहा है संसदीय कार्यप्रणाली में। यहाँ वैसे जो भी सदन में चुन के आता है, चाहे वो किसी दल का हो, उस सदस्य का ये धर्म होता है कि वो अपने क्षेत्र की, अपने राज्य की समस्याओं को उठाएं और लोगों के कल्याण के लिए जो भी बात कह सकते हो कहें। इस अवसर पर यूं तो सभी षणमुगम साहब ट्रेड यूनियन लीडर थे, हैं और रहेंगे, बड़ा योगदान रहा है, लेकिन सारे लोगों को मैं शुभकामनाएं देते हुए ये अवश्य कहना चाहूँगा कि सदन में वाइको साहब की आवाज़, बुलंद आवाज़ है, उसको लोग हमेशा याद रखेंगे। वी विल मिस हिम वेरी मच। मैं उन सभी सदस्यों को जो आज रिटायर हो रहे हैं, उनके स्वस्थ रहने, दीर्घायु रहने और सक्रिय रहने की कामना करता हूं, क्योंकि राजनीति में कोई रिटायर नहीं होता है। अगर लोग उनके पास आते रहेंगे, वो सक्रिय रहेंगे। जिस दिन लोगों का आना बंद हो जाएगा, चाहे जितना बड़ा लीडर हो, वो अपने आप रिटायर हो जाएगा। जनता के बीच, जनता से जुड़े रहना, ये ऐसे लोग हैं जनता के बीच ही रहेंगे, इसलिए इनका रिटायरमेंट का कोई सवाल नहीं है। मैं तो ये कामना करता हूं कि इनका नेतृत्व इनको फिर इस जिम्मेदारी के लिए भेजे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर।
धन्यवाद। श्री मिलिंद देवड़ा। श्री मिलिंद देवड़ा।
थैंक यू सर। सर, मैं अपने पार्टी की ओर से, पूरी महाराष्ट्र की ओर से हमारे माननीय साथियों को बहुत बहुत एक प्रकार से शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूं। इसके साथ साथ उनका मैं आभार भी व्यक्त करना चाहूंगा फॉर द वैल्यूएबल कंट्रीब्यूशंस। सर, महाराष्ट्र एंड तमिलनाडु हैव much in common. We both are extremely passionate about our culture, about our language, about our music, about our culture, theatre. And therefore, I understand all 6 MPs who have fought to preserve, to strengthen Tamil culture. And on behalf of Maharashtra, I wish them my very best. And we, besides the commonality of our passion for our cultures, we're also respectful of other cultures. And that is the sentiment which a city that I belong to, Mumbai, has. We welcome other cultures, but we ask that other cultures also respect our own culture. So I always find the word goodbye a very strong word, because many people, I'm sure, will be back. Mr. Wilson, my friend and colleague, is already back. Congratulations. So instead of goodbye, on behalf of my party, my state, I would like to use the word farewell. Thank you.